Hello and welcome. Thanks for your interest in our upcoming workshop, Dockerize your Python application. My name is Gábor, and I'm a freelance instructor and a member of the ITGilde Gurus team. In this short video, I'd like to tell you about this 2.5 hour long session dedicated to get you up to speed on container technologies and containerizing Python applications. After all, containers are the next step in delivering and running applications in both enterprise and cloud environments. In terms of benefits, containers mean shorter deployment cycles, less management, and the ability to quickly scale up capacity if needed. In general, containers are built to be stateless, that is, no configuration or data is stored inside. This is one of the most important aspects of containers that underlie the mentioned benefits. At the same time, this may require that your application needs some changes before being suitable for containerized deployment. To see how this works, we'll take an application and walk through the steps to package it in a container image. So to summarize, you will learn about how to recognize the required changes to the application, the considerations for selecting a base image, and how to write a Docker file. We will also discuss the best practices with regards to container networking, attaching external storage to the container, and how to write the health check that will allow Docker to automatically detect and replace a failing instance. So if you're a Python developer or a DevOps engineer who needs to understand the transition to containers, this workshop is made for you. In just 2.5 hours, you will get up to speed to start moving your Python applications to containers. I look forward to seeing you there.